It's early September and the beginning of spring, coming into summer in southern Africa on the west coast. About 3 hours drive up from Cape Town along the N7. We're coming towards Piketberg and Elandsbaai. Here we're at the reserve, the estuary, riverine area, absolutely alive with bird life. Untouched for now, though mining is soon to come, apparently, much to the chagrin of inhabitants around this area, this pristine natural wonderscape of the Cape. But looking towards the point of Elandsbaai, we see there is some surf, and I'm going to be featuring that in the upcoming videos. Stick around for that. You will be seeing it soon. I did notice a lot of wine farms popping up, and yeah, it's really hot territory for that. So it was under shelter of some shade cloth, white shade cloth everywhere. That was cost a fortune, but I'm sure the returns for the farmers must be worthwhile, otherwise they wouldn't be doing it. But very promising. Nice to see that productive farming is popping up in the area of the Piketberg. But farming is on the positive side. What I find a little bit disturbing, and please inform me in the in the space below, I hear that there's some mining being prospected or expected in the near future out there. Tell me about that. That's not good news, because that's going to damage the environment. Just look at what is here. It's untouched all the way out there through to Elandsbaai, and all that space. What are they going to do to it? Who knows? Of course, in this very dry climate, it's a very fragile environment and a very unpredictable weather environment. So let's hope that works out okay for the sake of the environment here and the people of Elandsbaai.